Mabuhay! I'm your favorite fellow foreigner friend, PaoLUL, and I'm here today to react to your Filipino memes. Yes, I know, I'm here today to validate your inferiority complex to your own brethren. Do not worry, I love all of you. Mabuhay! That is your favorite safe word. And now we will begin reacting to the memes of the people. Let us begin! It doesn't fit like a foreigner penis.
Hindi lang pampamilya.
There we go! We will fix this like the Treaty of Paris, where we sold you to other foreigners. From Macbonax, foreign girl reacts to Filipino men.
느낌이 나는데?
Oh!
매너있고 약간
Yes, you know, we are strong. We lift up our people.
그런 남성미가 완전 몸도 되게
Good,
주시고요.
nice editing. Is this what you call decalidad?
맞아, 그 느낌이 났어요. 저스틴 비버 느낌?
Oh, Biba!
아,
Yes, he is a
영하시고.
foreigner like me as well.
잘생겼네요. 언뜻 보면 일본 배우 같아요.
좋아하는 외모다. 잘생기고 되게 젠틀해 보이는 근데 약간 나쁜
Yes, he is willing to wait.
약간 운동선수 느낌이 나요.
Why are all
몸이 너무
Filipinos
좋으시고.
like this? Why are they so strong?
질문이에요.
I am afraid.
This black and white photo is really cool. He looks like Elvis here. I'm getting Elvis vibes. It's very cool, and he has
Do you know
a lot
Elvis
of muscles
Presley?
in his arms.
Yeah, he is a
Look at those
foreigner.
abs.
Also,
And his face, oh my god, I can't believe I was just looking at his abs and I got distracted. I didn't even look at his
yes,
face.
they always get distracted by our resources in
이거
the
너무
Philippines.
잘생겼다.
Ooh, I like this one.
It is so hard to
Eyes
joke,
are
you know, when you're
calming
speaking in this
and, like,
stereotypical manner of English.
Talking to me with his eyes, which I guess for an actor is very
Yes.
important. He's got a nice face.
No,
this
no, my
he's got this very strong jawline that makes him look
Ah,
cute, but
of course.
same time. He's got more of like a model
But
kind
James
of look
Reid,
for me,
you know,
because
even his surname is very Filipino.
눈매가 엄청 이글이글 하시는데 웃을 때는 약간 소년 같아요.
애기 같은 귀여운
Yeah, he also likes cute boys.
장난기 많을 것 같고
Oh yeah, he is very mischievous.
and manly, cute, but
He will follow you outside of Jollibee, but it is okay.
and this defined jawline.
you know Jollibee?
But he's
I
also
like
got this
Jollibee.
huge- He seems like a very approachable guy to me.
He is also approaching you.
오,
Aww. Yeah, he's cute.
Do I know
like
this
him.
president? I do not know
So
this.
he's number one. Wow, he's the most popular.
Yes,
I
he
can see why
is.
he's really popular because he's
That's why
got
he is
kind
the
of
president.
everything. He's got like a cuteness, he's got like a roughness, he's got a masculineness.
On to the next Filipino meme. Very good. From Ethan.
Mula nang natikman kita, di ko na mabura sa
No!
aking alaala.
No, do not taste that! Coco Martin! Oh my god! No! No! That is too much love in one place of his lips. I cannot continue anymore. Like the colonization of the Philippine Islands, we must go back. From Zero. Filipinos, if being a cringe is a job, oh, thank you for this language. I can understand this completely. But do not attack my Filipino brethren. Without them, I do not have a job. How can I react to them? I believe that most of them are cringe as well. They call that a sukot. Let us be real Filipinos here and use the right term, you know. All of these dollars are all what I get from watching, from reacting to your videos. Thank you very much. I am like Indiana Jones. Do you know Indiana Jones? You have always been Indian. From Zero again. Mom, look, I can balance. No, no, I'm a Pinoy vlogger as well. I'm not nice. I'm not nice. Do not say such filthy words to me, or my feelings will be hurt. When I am hurt, I get angry. You do not want to see a Filipino getting angry. They do stupid things. Do you know the street vendors when they sell the cheese on top of the corn? I like that. From Low Cost Edit. Catriona Gray? Oh, Miss You. Oh, and the whole universe knows this Filipino woman. Just her surname is very Filipino. The perfect ratio of the face. Ah, yes. I wish we can also be the Miss and Mr. Universe in terms of economics, in terms of education, in terms of progress. Wow, she is already too perfect. Nothing changed. Just like corruption here. Let us continue again. Oh, it's not a
Hindi nyo
Tisoy.
akalain yung ganito yung tsura.
Oh,
Kita Tagalog.
I do not
Putangina
know.
nyo! Can't believe that in this face I can literally speak English.
Literally, not metaphorically. No, no, no! Stop this! No, I'm nosebleed. Okay, what? Even my camera is nosebleed right now. Wait, let me fix this. My computer exploded from the Robert Wade Sukot. Cha Yun. My favorite Filipino friend. Too many Asians in one edit. Oh no, my stereotypical Western vibe cannot take this. I must react to this twice as hard. Oh! Normal? Good thing it's not abnormal. Oh my god. It's very hard to English right now, you know. Even my mother tongue cannot lick this. So many things are happening. Oh no, Illuminati confirmed. I knew it. Filipinos are Illuminatis. Oh, Pikachu? The second Illuminati? Oh my god, you turned Chow Yun-woo and Mr. Sanderford into Chito Miranda. A very clean Chito Miranda. The parochial of Edgar. See, I'm a true Filipino. Mabuhay! From Calderon. Athens, Russia, the Philippines. He is lifting the whole mainstream media of the Filipino people. Thank you very much. Angat ang lakas mo. Buckle up, drive safely. We always drive angrily here, you know, because traffic is a bitch. Mahalin ang sariling Athens. Sunod. Oh, continue. I'm sorry. Oh, what is this dirty words that's coming from my mouth? From Jarrell. Last of Us 2 Macdan Edition. I remember the people are commenting under our previous video that why did I not comment when Mr. Izumil sang about the beheading of Mr. Lapu-Lapu, when there is no historical documentation of that moment. But you know, it is a song. Like art, that art is subjective. Maybe he said that to prove a point or to exaggerate a meaning. If you are looking for facts in a song, then you're looking at the last place that you should. I hope Google is translating this right now, because I do not want to subtitle this. I would just like to react because that's the easiest way to get some money. You know, we want our dollars here, you know. We want our Benjamin Franklins. Lapu-Lapu go brrr, nabuhay! Let us continue from Gallo. Is this a cockfight? Inside a cock ring? Oh, I hear this many times from my Filipino friends in the Philippines. When your father is always taking care of your chicken. Yes. And you want to fight the chicken. Yes, I remember this. What is the English of tinola? You will become tinola later. Oh, punch him in the face. What? I want to know. Appetizer? No, that is the main dish. You uncultured swine. What is tinola? What is the English of tinola? Come on. Oh my god, no one knows. Is this chicken soup? Is it just chicken soup? Filipino chicken soup. Whatever. My brain is soup right now from speaking in so much English, but it is fine. Let us continue. From Yuri.
Pagsalita ka, parang galing-galing mo na. Wala ka pang kaalam-alam dito sa mundo.
I cannot understand this. Please translate this to English.
Yan bang dahilan kaya mo akong bigyan ng karapatan at kalayaan?
Magmula ng
I
tinulungan
don't understand. Is this a parody
May kumabar...
of Mr. Ruben?
Bunugulpe ko. Lahat kamatayan ko.
Oh no!
Tulungan mo ako!
Why is he so angry?
Hindi naman pala eh! So bakit mo ako sinusumbatan? Bakit mo ako tinutulungan?
Hindi
Is
kita
this a-
sinusumpatan. Tinulungan kita dahil mahal kita. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman sa buong buhay ko to.
Why does he look like Mr. Ruben?
Ang sarap palang magkaroon ng kapatid na babae.
I do not have.
Alam mo?
Oh no, I'm
sa
sorry.
lahat
I do
ng
not know what
nakikilala
he's
ko,
talking about.
Ikaw ang pinakasinungaling, ikaw ang pinakaduwag! Pati sarili mo, niloloko mo!
You're a liar! Damn! That is some international acting right there. Thank you.
Tagalog ka, kasi mumukha kaming katawa-tawa kung mag-i-English kami dito para sa'yo.
On to the next one. From Korea. Is it just me? I just find most Filipino veggie dishes, except for laing chop suey and adobong kangkong, I think it's tough to go big. Oh! My! Napag-ayaw ka na nga. Hindi lang masarap luto ng nanay mo, leche. Lumabas na yung pagka-Pilipino ko. Nasaktan ako doon. Okay, wag mo isama mga Pilipino dito. Mahina lang nanay mo. Ayoko na pagkanda mag-Ingles. Sunod! English mo ako sa bio ko. Ano ba Tagalog na version ng punyeta, no? Ano ba ang pinakakilalang Tagalog na mura? PaoLUL! PaoLUL po! Diyan na Pilipino tayo noon pa man. Galing kay Ecstatic Jeffrey. Yan ang tuloy natin kaibigan. Kunin natin ang buong bansa nila.
Pag Tagalog ka,
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片。
Masarap ba ang feeling? Ito ang Treaty ng Paris version 2. Baliktad daw ay. Sunod. Galing kay Carlo. Nag-brown out. Let's check our views. Check mo. Hindi lang yan. Tsaka pa nag-ingay na sila. Yeah! Alam mo na meron na. Hindi mo na kailangan tarang. Ano ba naman yan? Hindi ka tunay na Pilipino. Sunod. Galing kay Hakimaru. Pilipinas kung totoo yung kapag... yes. Most Filipinos are very gullible. They believe this bullshit when you share things, when you comment below things. They do it as if may mangyayari naman. Oh my God, I'm taglishing right now. Oh no, the cringe. The maize. The cheesy maize. Nagutom ako, gusto ko rin ng mais na may keso. May naglalako ba sa labas? Kuya, may vlogger ba dyan? Sunod. Ayan, sabi ko na. Galing kay Cactus doon. That one comment in Filipino YouTube. Whoever like the search it. Alam mo kung lahat kung totoo to, sana lahat tayo successful. Sana lahat tayo mayaman. Pero hindi doon totoo, hindi yun ganon. Law of attraction, galing yan. Alam niyo yung law of attraction, saan yung galing? Sa new thought. Ang new thought, spiritual. Nagsimula yun as spiritual, ginagawa nila philosophical, pero hindi yung totoo. Huwag kayong magpapaniwala sa ganon. Walang pakialam ang mundo kung paano maisipin na isang bagay, nasa sayo lang yan. Pero kung paano ka maapektuhan ng mundo, walang pakialam ang mundo kung masaya ka o malungkot. Tandaan yan. Para sa sarili mo lang yun. Pero sa tingin mo mag-iiba yung mangyayari sa ibang sa paligid mo dahil lang positive ka. Iba yon sa kung paano mo sasaluhin ang problema, paano mo sasaluhin ang mga biyaya sa iyo, di ba? Magkaiba ang out external sa internal, ha? Mabuhay mga Pilipino, huwag kayong papaniwala sa yan. Hindi porket masipag ka ay yayaman ka. Tingnan mo to! Di ba? Alam ng PhilHealth yan. Hindi ganon. Kailangan may utak ka din. Kailangan madiskarte ka din. Hindi sapat ang sipag. Kaya natutunan ko sa totoong buhay yan. Sunod, sarap sabihin. Anak ko, galing kay Carl.
Tisoy! I'm Pinoy!
Nanay ko
Our motherland. Sino ba naman hindi maiyak sabihin? Sino tama nga naman? Kamukha niya dito yung ex-si Christian Mark Gray. At doon na natin tapos yung bago pa ako maiyak. Sana na gusto. Oh no, my foreigner hat. Oh no. So that is where we end things here in the Philippines. Taglish mo ako sa bio ko. So if you like what you saw in the Filipino memes, don't forget to like, share to your Filipino friends, and don't forget to subscribe. PaoLUL out.